Installation of integrative machine. The whole machine is divided into two parts: powder shaking and printing. Move the printer onto the machine. Note that the terminal should be pulled out. Extend the terminal into the small hole of the heating plate. Then line the printer with the screw holes on both sides. After alignment, screw in the screws. Install the tray. Align the 4 screw holes and screw in the screws. Install the screws on the other side as well. Install the paper placement bracket. Tighten the set screws. Install the wasting bucket bracket below. Installation is complete. Lower the 4-foot cap supports. Complete machine assembly. Thanks for watching.